All right, welcome back. Oh, man, sorry about that. Welcome back. So last time we did, or the last video, we looked at the tangent graph. I've just copied it over here. Okay, so it has these vertical asymptotes at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2, zeros at 0, and then it's equal to 1 at pi over 4 and negative 1 at negative pi over 4. And then it's pi periodic. So here it's going to look the same. Here it's going to look the same. Let's take a look at cotangent of x. Now cotangent of x is a little bit different because that's cosine over sine. Okay, we're still going to look at sort of similar points, but now the points we're going to look at, we're actually generally going to look at from 0 to pi. Okay, so let's take a look at x equals 0, x equals, same basic 4 points, x equals pi over 4, x equals pi over 2, x equals 3 pi over 4, and then we're going to lump in 0 with pi. Okay? Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so when x equals 0, sine of 0 is 0, as is sine of pi. So we're going to have now our asymptotes are going to be at 0 and pi. Let's put pi here. Actually, let's really be funny about it and put pi right around where it is on the other one. Oh, there. Okay. Now, nope, it's not there. Sorry. It would be there. There we go. There's pi. Okay. Next, we're going to look at what happens at pi over 2. Well, cosine of pi over 2 is 0. Sine of pi over 2 equals 1. So cotangent equals 0 at pi over 2. Okay, so this point, pi over 2, 0 is going to be on the cotangent graph. Now, here's where it gets a little bit sort of strange. You got to think about it a little bit. But at 3 pi over 4, for example, at 3 pi over 4 now, think about 3 pi over 4. What quadrant does that live in? If you said second quadrant, that's absolutely right. So one of them is negative and one of them is positive, but otherwise they've got the same absolute value. So y, or the cotangent, is going to be -1 there, just like it was for tangent. And at pi over 4, since that's in the first quadrant, they're both going to be positive. You're going to get +1. So at pi over 4, you're going to get 1. And at 3 pi over 4, you're going to get -1. Ooh. Okay, so now our graph looks like so. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next video.